everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the JLab Wireless Keyboard. I have my tablet and I had the combo with the keyboard and the holder, but unfortunately it just stopped working. I didn't want to go out and buy another kit because I found they were a bit pricier than what I wanted to spend. So I went out to our local Best Buy here in Canada. This one is originally, I believe, around $28, and it was on sale, and I got it for $24. So this is a multi-device wireless keyboard, and it connects via Bluetooth or USB dongle. You can switch between 3 devices, and it's ultra compact and portable. So on the back here it says it connects via Bluetooth or USB wireless dongle. It easily switches between 3 saved devices, either a laptop, phone, tablet, and more. It has an ultra compact design, quiet laptop-like keys. Its accessible shortcut keys is available on it, easy access media knob, and it's powered by 2 AAA batteries. So I'm not sure if it's included inside the box, but we're going to check. And if not, you can easily get those either at your local department store or even the dollar store. It says it also switched between operating system, Windows, iOS, Mac, Android, and Chrome. So I'm going to open it up and show you how it works. So the great thing about this keyboard was the price point. I was looking around at either replacing my combo pack or other keyboard options. I found the price point to replace the combo was between $100 to $200, and then I found some other keyboards that also had price ranges between $50 and up. So I was glad to find this one at that price point under $30. So this is the keyboard, and it does come with the AAA batteries, AAA batteries. And then it has the keyboard itself. So it's nicely packaged, it's safe inside. And then this is what it looks like. So it's nice and slick, very lightweight. I'm going to be putting in our batteries. If you have any recommendation on a wireless keyboard or a combo that you found was reasonable and great quality, then leave your comments down in the suggestions in our comments. Okay, so inside the back here, you notice I put the batteries, and then this, I believe here, is for USB. If you want to use the USB. So we're going to first try it out on the tablet to see how it works and if it's compatible with it. Close that off. So we're just going to turn it on. And there goes the keyboard. It's on. I'm going to turn my tablet on. So I've added the batteries in, and now it's lit up. And there's a button just off to the right of the on and off switch. That is the connect. So what you do is you go into your settings and you go into Bluetooth. You press down on the connect button, and then it should show the device that we want to do Bluetooth. So I'm going to select that, and we're going to pair it. Okay, so it says that it's connected, and now we're going to go back to the main screen and see how, just see how it would work. Okay, so there we go. So there, my screen is a touch screen, so I just touch the screen to select where I wanted to enter the typing in. You can also buy a mouse that's wireless, and you can go wireless with that as well. But I just connected. It was very easy to set it up during the settings, and then I just put hello, brought me up to a screen of my searches, and now you can use the arrow to go down. So it's very simple to use, and you can use both the touch screen with your tablet and it's quite easy. I'm quite satisfied with this purchase since the other one cost me a lot more, and I really relied on it, but it's just stopped working. So I just wanted to go out and buy something reasonable that I can take with me either to work or work at home. I like the fact that it has a nice little, it's tilted up a bit, so it's facing like downwards. It's slanted, which is nice. It has a nice comfort to use, very sleek. And yeah, I highly recommend this. Again, if you know of a brand of a wireless keyboard or a combination of a holder with the keyboard that you recommend, leave it down in the comments. And if you like this review and you want to see more like this on our products, on our traveling, or on our food, please subscribe to our channel, hit that share and that bell notification for our latest videos. Until next time.